So what's going on, traders? Welcome back to today's live. And yeah, came back from the gym and saw this crazy movement for GBPUSD. But I'm happy about that because it's been long since we saw this kind of momentum, you know, coming into the market and crashing everything out, sweeping all lows, this upside liquidity and everything. Yeah, good morning, Joshua. Back in Nigeria, it's morning here, so I don't know what it is for you there. Bro, good morning. Yeah, so that's as I was saying, I'm opening with a huge crash like this. That's very, very, crazy. But like I said, at the same time, I love this because it's been long with also this type of move on the session. If you check to the past, we have not seen any, kind of move like this. Price has been just slow, moving slowly, slowly in every session. Understand? Until today, we saw this nice. This is NFA, yeah. Until today, we saw this nice push, and it's still pushing down. So yeah, would I have entered into a trade like this? I'm not sure because this is the trend is still incorrect to me because I was still anticipating price to keep going up. But looking at this over extension from here to here, should be expecting some reversals. But where is the previous low? This is the previous low, and price has swept the previous low. I'm going to remove this swing low, delete it, write it as just normal BOS or something like that, something like this. But I don't like doing all this in my chart. It's it makes my chart looks messy. But if this far were close below the structure here, that means we are looking for some reversals. But we are not going for longs again. We are not going for longs again. We are going for shorts. Okay, yeah. Joshua, yeah, it's 340. Yeah, that's crazy. Waking up by 340 to 3 longs run. That's very, very crazy. Yeah, I think the weight stunts, yeah, very, very crazy. Over 100 pips. 100 pips. 100 pips. This 1 4 hour candle is, yeah, over 100 pips. I said it. So that's crazy, man. Over 100 pips in the morning. Like I say, this is what I would love to see. So price has swept it on the hours time frame, just like this. Cleaned it, and yeah. I'll just call here the fail to break. This is the fail to break here because once you say fail to break, that means the reversal is incoming. This is a fail to break, and then price keeps pushing down. So, but we have some external liquidity that we're expecting price to take out. Like this is an external liquidity. External liquidity. This one is an external liquidity. You can call it swing low or whatever. I like to call it an external liquidity. So if price can take those out, we are going in for a sales. You know. But so far, I've not taken any trades since this month. Month just started yesterday, so I'm not in a hurry to take a trade. Just yeah, that's nice. You caught the drop on EU, I think. That's very, very nice. And I think the stream is lagging. Well, all good, all good. If you caught the sell, like that's a very huge win for you for the month. Someone like me, I'm done for the month. Yeah, uh, very, very great. So this is a fair to break, and then all we are looking for is for price to close below this low with a candle. We still have like 1 hour more for price to close with a candle. If price closes with a candle, then we're in business. We're looking for shorts. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but for a long time, we're looking for shorts. So I'll remove this line here. I don't like seeing those lines. Everyone knows that that is a BOS. But for the meantime, I won't be looking for longs again. Maybe from tomorrow or Thursday or even next week. If price keeps, with the momentum, I would be looking for shorts going forward. This is a very nice entry here. But like I said, the high time frame didn't confirm it yet. I like to see the high time frame confirm the trend before I go into a trade. I can easily, start gambling my trades. So sorry, start gambling my money on any of this move, and then who knows? I'll just get the bank. But I don't like that. I don't want to be gambling. Okay, on GU, that's nice. That's nice. That's beautiful. I was at the gym when this happened. I was at the gym when this happened. You are waiting 340 just to bank this huge move. I'm sure the day is blessed. That's crazy. Around 100 pips. If you use a nice man, you must be greedy. Still riding EU. uh, if someone like me, I'm done for the month. I'm done for the week, month, whatever, whatever. As I was saying, uh, this huge move. If I was available, I would have got it. If the trend is in my direction, like if the trend is in my direction, I would have cut the move. But the trend is not in my direction, and I'm still trying to know what September has for us. I don't want what happened, the previous month to reoccur in a situation whereby I rushed in and go for a trade, then lost, and then I don't have any liquidity to continue trading for the month. I want to be in a situation whereby even if I miss 1 week, I can still continue. Yeah, that's triggered. Whatever. So yeah. So what's the next question? Okay. Yeah, clean trade. That's that's clean. Not gonna lie. So yeah, so what do you guys think? Is this a reversal or continuation of the trend? Sorry, is this a reversal or pullback? Is this a continuation or pullback? What's wrong with you? Is this a continuation or pullback? I'm seeing this as a reversal, like going for a short trend, like going for a sell trend. The trend is going to be selling from now onward. But what do you guys think? Is it a pullback or reversal? I would like to get some opinions from you guys. This should be GBPUSD pullback or reversal, not crash. So if you have been trading GPUSD like someone like me now, I've been trading GU for a very long time. So I've seen stuff like this happen. In the morning, price will just start going down heavily, start crashing, and yeah, before the end of the day, it just pull back. But if it doesn't pull back before the end of the day, that means we're in for some serious business. So let's look at DXY. I will have to ask DXY. Let's see if this is on GBP or on GBP or it's on USD. Let's see where the force is coming from. Let me use CVC. If CVC is not good, yeah, it's from USD. So it has nothing to do with um has nothing to do with it has nothing to do with GBP. It's on US dollar. Look at it here. So G4 said the first to second week will be heavy shorts, with September manipulation. Then third and fourth week they will be likely to rally till October. Yes, I think that's my opinion. Also, I don't like trading the first week of the month most times. I don't know why, because maybe I'm not earning, I'm not I'm looking for huge RR or sorry huge trades. I'm not looking for 2 trades a month, 2 to 3 trades a month. So that's why I don't like trading the first week of each month, or maybe because of its NFP week, or I don't know, but I don't like going in that first week. That first week is always kind of messy, and yeah. So this is on DXY, this is on dollar, and I'm not sure we have any news today. Let's check the first factor and see what it is. The news we have is like 3 o'clock p.m. Okay, okay. Joshua says probably a pullback, and if it's a reversal, we'll know after it clears the low of the range and closes bearish on the time frame. Yeah, I think I go with Joshua. This is what I'm talking about also. I'm not 100% sure that this is going to be go to 4 hour time frame. I'm not 100% sure that this is going to be a reversal. That's how GPUSD manipulates. It's like to show you some huge move that you be like, oh, this is a reversal, this is a reversal, and then it pulls back and continues trend. Like he said, we have to check the daily. Let me just check the daily. I don't have a day time frame here. Yeah, this is daily. Yeah, this is even say the liquidity is still at the daily. Here and here are the you know ranges that price has been on. Okay. Yeah, here these two ranges are where price has been on, this low and this high. Share price has been on for a long time, and many people have been expecting price to do something like take out the high or take out the low. Let them know what they're doing. All this while it has been trending and trying from head and shoulder. But this head and shoulder pattern might be a condition for itself. Like here, on this April, keep pushing up, keep pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. So more often it can continue bullish or just pull back. But either way, we don't care about these trends. Understand? We don't care about the day time frame. Okay, this liquidity is smoked. This one is smoked. Once it thinks it, we'll remove it. Yeah, we can remove it now. So it's now smoking every level. Smoking every level. Then we have this one level last. You also just my experience have been on G in 2021 and stop trading in 2024. Yeah, it's okay, it's cool. It's okay, it's cool. Just that GP seems some kind of manipulative. But if you're in line with the trend, don't get me wrong, if you're in line with the trend, you won't have any issue. So what you need is as a day trader is just to come in every day and just place your trade. I don't think you have anything more to do. Just come in, place your trade, and then you leave. Yeah. So I'm checking the charts. So yeah, if this is a strong, bearish momentum, and I don't think there is any news on. I can't be checking news now. Can't be checking if there's anything that happened. or reason why dollar is bullish this morning. Dollar is heavily bullish, heavily keeps pushing up, and keeps some keeps pushing down. That's like 150 pips crashed. That's 130 pips. Oh my days. Oh my days. 130 pips pushed down. If my reach to 200 pips, if case not taken. If the like keeps pushing up, if you smoke this level, and if you smoke this level, I think we're in for a bearish trend. We're in for a bearish trend. Dang. Oh my days. Yeah, I agree with most of you, but I trading is not what you spectate and be like, this was like this was going to happen, this and that. So if you have been spectating, if you're trying to predict the future, you're going to have a hard time trading. If you're going to let everything work out for you, I think that will be beautiful. If you see me keep pushing down, no atom of pullback, even in the 5 minutes, no atom of pullback, just keep pushing. You know why many people won't get on this trade? Let me check what's wrong with X. No recent news on X. I think this is where I check out to see what happened. Let's know the recent news on X. Yeah, I can yeah, daily low has been smoked. I think Joshua daily low has been smoked. Why is still holding? uh, the daily low has been smoked. Has been smoked. Nothing else to hold for, bro. If I'm happy for you because if it was me, I'm done for the month, man. I'm I'm done for the month. If I hold this full pot, I'm done for the month. Nothing's gonna make me come back to the chat again. And what am I looking for? What am I looking for if the daily low has been smoked? Okay, yeah, like I said before, we're only here to react, not to predict. We don't know what will happen next week. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. Like, okay, like let me just use for example. Like last year um my August was beautiful. It was a beautiful August, and then all of a sudden, this year August was kind of messy. I'm gonna send this to my group. If you're not in my Telegram group, you can use this link in my description to join the Telegram group. Yeah, we just discuss about charts and trade ideas. I'm trying to take a screenshot, but I don't want to publish. Last year, August, the month was kind of beautiful, but this month was kind of messy. So that's why I don't like predicting. What the hell? That's some crazy move. Man, I don't know what to do again. Maybe we'll get fun the day on the go down for the vote. Yeah, I get but like me, I trade my life capital. I don't trade prop. I don't trade my own funds. That's why I said if it was me, I'm done for the month. But yeah, I get you. Some of you might be in phase one or phase two, which is fine. That's one step to success. So you might need some couple more trades to pass the evaluations and get funded. But I've been trading my life now. I think for like since May 25, I've been on life capital only, trying to grow my life capital. And okay, I'm going to talk about that now because most people have asked me whether to go live or trade prop. But to be honest with you guys, if you have capital that or you have a stream of income that you feel like you can actually make something out of this, or you have been long in trading and you know that yes, you can trade for real, for real, for real, for real, and you have a work that pays you, or you have anywhere that you get money from, you just have to, try to grow your capital. Even if you do problem, just don't put your hope in there because they might shatter your hope and everything. Okay, I have a friend that got funded. I was reading and got funded. He got funded. Then he collected his first payout with his wallet address. Tried to collect the second payout with another address. They cancelled his payout, then took his account. That will be frustrating for him because how can he work hard for months and then just to get denied because he used another address. So that's some kind of depressing stuff. But don't get me wrong, some people problem are changing people's life. It has like absolutely changed some people's life. Some people made their first $1,000, first 2,000 in problem, their first $10,000 in problem. Many people has actually their life has actually changed from problem. But like I said before, if you have a stream of income that you get money from, I feel like okay, I can scale up from this level. That's okay. That's okay. You can just go live on your own and then start it on your own. You don't need to you know all this prop like frustrations. But I get it. People use yeah just relate with me. But people especially in my country, this country that I'm in now, this Nigeria now, people don't have that type of funds to be risking per trade on live accounts. That's why they're going for prop, which I agree. You don't give them more room for mistakes, 10% drawdown, more room for mistakes, try, and then eventually learn how to manage risk, and then from there, 5K account, 10K, 50K, 100K. That's some crazy ass journey. But some people like me, I by God's grace, by the special grace of God, this is not by my, this is not by my uh, strength or by my own smartness that I have something I look up to. Yeah, the last has been smoked. The last low has been smoked. I don't think we have any low again to look up to. Uh, the last low has been smoked. We don't have any low to look up to again. Every has been cleared. I think we can start looking for alternative pullbacks so we can start cutting ourselves. As I was saying, by special grace of God, I now have a stream of income that I can look up to. Then from there, deposit and then build my account by myself without any restrictions or trading rules or whatever. So I wouldn't like to, in a situation whereby I feel like I am better than everyone because I know how it feels trying to get at least the least $17 to buy a 5K account. And you hope on that 5K account, try to grow it, try to all the restrictions, and then get funded, and then boom, your card got denied. So I just get it. But like I'm saying, if you have any stream of income, you feel like money is not a problem, you can deposit $1,000 without feeling it. You can deposit 2,000 without feeling it. Just go and build a live account yourself. Understand? Yeah, Joshua is all done. The whole level has been smoked. I don't think that you should be in the market again for the week. Just wait for NFP to do his thing and then come back next week. So yeah. So now I see it's still fresh. We have like how many trading days? Like more 18 trading days, more 18 opportunities. Okay, 18 times two, it's 18 trading days times two, that is 32, 36. 36, we have 36 opportunities, London and New York. So the month is still fresh. Yeah, it's obvious now that it's selling. It's very, very obvious that it's selling. So yeah, guys, if you have any stream of income that you feel like you can, get some $1,000, 2,000, 3,000, just deposit and then start your life. Struggle. Struggle is not easy, man. We all are just trying to survive. But I feel like, but if you don't have that, just still the problem and endure the challenges. One thing I believe, one thing I believe surely is that if I working hard, you're gonna make it in this line of trading. So far you don't give up, don't quit along the way, you're gonna make it. If you can take your time and go through my YouTube channel, go down below, you see when I was in that shithole also. So keep praying, keep working hard, and you don't know 2026 might be yours, but I'm not giving up on 2025 yet. But I'm saying 2026 might be yours because I've seen this video and you'll be like, okay, yeah, I have to buckle up, give it up for 2026. God doesn't have any time frame. You don't tell God that I'm too old, I'm getting old, nah. He does his thing at his best one time, and when it happens, you will be happy about that. Looks like I'm preaching. That was supposed to be doing live trading. So yeah, that is it. I think that is it for this stream. 30 minutes down. I'll have to leave Joshua to go and sleep. And apart from that, it's 30 minutes. I don't like staying long on this on stream because people, it's gonna get boring. We have seen it. What do we call it? 160 hips crash on GBPUSD, and then cooked 160 pips crash. So yeah, if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit like.